favorite knives for 2022, and until I get something better, they will be that. Okay, so this is the Kaiser Bigliner XL button lock awesomeness. This is a big knife. It's an awesome knife. Micarta, the blade steel I think is 154 cm. Actually, I cannot see that. Just go check out my old review. But it's a fantastic knife. Okay. And then this one, which is a newer one to me, which is the CJRB Largo. Also button lock, also awesome action, also multiple ways of deploying this thing. And I love it. And this one is in AR RPM 9.